Hello everybody, Pat Willie here, Willie Fan Fun, coming to you from somewhere in northeast Iowa. Well, we've been waiting for the March blizzard to show up, and we are now starting to get the snow, starting to get the winds. It's blowing around. We could get, I don't know, 7, 8, 9 inches of snow possibly until tomorrow morning. So I thought, well, I haven't done a video in a while. Thought I'd come out and just kind of show you what's going on. So I'm going to flip this thing around. Remember, Willie Fan Fun. If you have not subscribed, please do. Hoping to bring you some spring, actual spring and summer stuff coming up soon. Because, yeah, that's what we do. But I also do crazy things like this. And I thought I'd come out here, sit here in my chair, in my shorts. That's normal. And just kind of take a look at the weather, show you what's happening here. We are in Clayton County, Iowa, up in the northeast corner. March 15th. Bring on the snow. So I'm going to turn you so you can kind of see what's happening. You know, Mother Nature, she's blowing it around a little bit. Not too bad out here. I mean, yeah, I'm kind of protected a little bit by by my house, and my garage is behind me. But it's like 25 degrees out, about 14 degrees wind chill. But yeah, the blizzard's coming. This is just a precursor right here. And I know my neighbors are going to really think I'm crazy, but, you know, they're not wrong. They're not wrong. I do a lot of crazy stuff. It's just me. They're all going to look over here and say, what the heck is she doing? But just trying to get some decent video of the winds, the snow, let you know that spring is coming. Hopefully sooner rather than later. Hopefully you can hear the wind. Hard to see. I'm going to stand up here for a minute. Hard to see actually how much is blowing around. Go this direction a little bit. My neighbor's roof, he's got snow up there. It's blowing a little bit off of there too. But yeah. Now, we didn't get much snow overnight. We got more sleet, hail. Winds are blowing a little bit. But not like they're going to be later. I think it's actually going to get windier, like sustained 40-mile-an-hour winds. Hopefully some of this is being picked up on my camera, on my video here. Kind of see the blowing. How much is blowing. Kind of blows off the roofs. Like I said, it's not horrible out here. It could be worse. But I thought I'd get out here before it got too dark. Haven't done a video in a while. And so yeah, here it is, blizzard. A lot of roads are blocked. A lot of schools have canceled. It's not going to be, travel is not going to be recommended in our area. Probably pretty soon. Most of the state already have either highways closed, major interstates are closed. They just don't want anybody out traveling. Starting to drift a little bit here and there. But, so yeah. So what's going on out there in YouTube world? Huh? What's everybody up to? My thoughts are starting to go to getting... there goes a robin with some snow. Hey, you know, you get to have so many snows on a robin. He's over in the tree over there. They say before you can actually have spring. So here's one, maybe two. Maybe we can count the one from the other day. I don't know. But there are some birds here kind of confused and trying to figure out what to do. But yeah, anyway, what's everybody doing? How's the weather in your area? It's springtime in the Midwest is hit and miss. You can have a beautiful day one day and be storming the next. You can have snow. can have ice, you can have tornadoes. We had thunderstorms this morning. So yeah, thunder. So we had thunder this morning. Getting a little snow on the old brim here. Thunder this morning. Hail. I don't know. Guess I'm so used to the crazy weather around here. But see what else is going on. Got blackbirds. They're all getting ready to nest for the night. Trying to get in the pine trees across the street there. I don't know. Like I said, I am so ready for boating season, fishing season. A year ago we were out trout fishing on a beautiful day. Not today, folks. Here comes those winds. I know people are going to say I'm crazy, and again, it's not a debatable question. It's not up for debate. I don't really care what people think. I just do me. You know? You only have so long to do me, so I'm doing me right now. If I had my truck, I'd probably be out kind of cruising around town seeing what it was like, but I don't have my truck. Switch vehicles with my brother so we could have a truck so we can get to work in the morning. I don't have to get out and get to work, so that will help. But the winds are picking up a lot. But yeah, so this next week, or this coming week here, I was planning on getting down and working on the boat, trying to get the motor tuned and cleaned and everything changed out that needs to be changed out. But maybe by the end of the week, it's supposed to be in the, I don't know, what, 60s, maybe? So, I don't know, we'll see. Never know. Again, northeast Iowa, anything can happen. Might not be able to get out the door in the morning. That's always the fun part. But, like, other than that, I don't have a whole lot to say. I just want to come out. I've been shut up in the house, and I don't like being inside, so I'm an outside person. So, anytime I can get outside and do something, I do it. I thought, well, let's just go take a peek at what's going on with the weather. And like I said, this is nothing compared to what they're getting just north of us. But I hear it's coming this direction, so now I have to wait for it to show up here. Probably overnight more than anything, so I won't get out the video in the dark. Did not shovel any of this morning because there is ice under it. Get better gripping if I don't shovel. But our co-op over there eventually will not be visible when the winds and snow get blowing pretty good. But I don't know. Wintertime. We have a few more days before the calendar spring date. So we will take it as it is. I'm going to try and brush my chair off again. Don't know if I'm going to sit on the chair. But I need to get it up so I could get her tested out and ready for baseball season. My nephew and partner in crime will be doing baseball. And so, yeah, get her out. But I think that's about it. It's about a 10-minute video, roughly. Hands are now starting to freeze a little bit. It's hard to hold on to my phone and video with a glove on, so I'm going to step inside the door real quick. Put the chair inside. Try not to fall down. Alright, that wasn't me. That was my shovel. And I'm going to leave it down there. So, anyway. That's how she blows, folks. That's how she blows. Anyway, Willie Fan Fun, please like and subscribe our channel, and we'll be coming to you from Northeast Iowa. See ya.